And if you're looking for lifetime income, it's not going to give you the highest either. Like, we could definitely tell you want to sell something. I'm like, yeah. I mean, you'd be better off switching it. Yeah, it's a no-brainer. You set them up for income, you set them up for guarantees, and that's it. Hey there, John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. I am hiking through the forest right now, enjoying the snow, very much so. We've been waiting for it, and we got it. Got a big storm. Well, it's hard packed, so I'm not sinking down as bad as I could be. Unless I fall in some hole that I'm not seeing as I go down. Lots and lots of powder. It's very pretty. So, I'm going to talk to you about a gentleman that I'm helping. He has a variable annuity contract. $725,000 in this annuity. It has not been growing a lot, he says, and him and I both agree that's probably because of the fees, because there are some annuity contracts that are variables that do grow quite well. His was not. He was getting like, I want to say his fees were averaging like 3.5. So he was like, yeah, my fees are like, taking my returns. I'm like, yeah, probably are. And if you're looking for lifetime income, it's not going to give you the highest either. Like, he was telling me the amount was $57,000 for a single life. And then I took the same money, I put it in a nationwide for him. And I said, well, it looks like this one will give you $59,000 joint income. And if it's a single payout, then it's $62,000 for life. So not bad. I mean, he'd be better off switching it. And that's what he wants. He wants lifetime income. He doesn't want the variable contract. He wants income. Oh boy, I am sinking down. Hold on a second. Okay, so, I'm walking through the snow sharing these stories because it's a lot less boring to do it this way than always in my studio. It's easy to sit in the studio and talk about annuities and your eyes will glaze over and you're like, oh my goodness, another talking head. Talking about money. He probably wants to sell me something, make a bunch of commission. I have a bunch of people that will get on my YouTube channel and they're like, yeah, we've spoken like a true salesman. We could definitely tell you want to sell something. I'm like, yeah, I do. That's how I make my money, duh. Like, I sell annuities, but at the same time, people are already buying annuities. They're just trying to get the information. It's, hey, you're already going to buy an annuity. You might as well learn as much as you can. Okay, you might as well take advantage of my annuity calculators on my website, johnstevenson.com. Go there, check them out for yourself. And then, if you like me, then you can book a call with me and I'll help you buy one. If you don't like me, then you don't have to. No harm, no foul. It's not a big deal. A lot of people just get so hung up over it and they don't need to be. It's about helping the customers, about helping the clients, about showing what's available and letting them make their own decision. Every day it seems, I talk to people that either got sold the wrong annuity or they're getting pitched an annuity that they just have a feeling is not in their best interest. And I'm like, yeah, it's not. This guy's making this much and you're getting this much, and here's another one that's available that pays less, pays me less commission, but pays you more. And they're like, oh, okay, well, it makes sense why he wasn't showing it to me. But it really doesn't make sense to me as well, because if you're trying to be a true fiduciary for your clients, you realize it all evens out in the end. You'll be fine, make some money, take care of people, and you get more business. Oh, look at that. You see way down there? I think you can see down there. That's me walking all the way. Oh my goodness. If I was on skis right now, I highly recommend it. If you ever think about skiing, a lot of people think they're too old to do it, but I ski with people that are in their 80s and they do quite well. But anyway, so where was I? Yes, variable annuities. So variable annuities, they charge a lot of fees. They can make you a lot of money though, but they also expose you to lots of market risk. So if you're going to be in the market, just be in the market. Don't pay the fees. I throw some of my money in the S&P index fund, ETF with Vanguard. They don't charge me very much at all. The fees on those are like 0.3. If you're going to do growth, I like that personally. But for annuities, yeah, it's a no-brainer. You set them up for income, you set them up for guarantees, and that's it. End of story. My hands are so cold too. No, I went out, I was doing these videos and I wear these gloves. And she told me, you really shouldn't wear those gloves when you do videos. They really look old and ratty. And so I said, okay. So I was like, all right, fine, dear. I will freeze my hands. So that's what I'm doing. Well, all right. So hopefully you got a laugh out of that. Hopefully you got some info that was helpful to you. If you like the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment below. If you want to book a call with me to purchase an annuity, there's a link below this video. And there is a link on my website, johnstevenson.com, which I always tell people, go there and check out my calculators and see for yourself. And then if you want to, reach out. So anyways, hope this was informative. I don't know. And hopefully it was entertaining. I do try to keep it real. I do try to be authentic and transparent and let you know I'm just a regular guy. I know a lot about annuities. I sell hundreds of them, but I really do want you to know that I want you to find what's best for you, work with who you want to work with, who you're comfortable with, and that's fine with me. I do hope that this channel does bring you a lot of value. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.